Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to Nigeria in 2025. Whether you're helping family back home, paying for school fees, or investing in opportunities abroad, this guide will make the process straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, with advancements in 2025, sending money has become faster and cheaper thanks to new regulations and tech upgrades. The most popular methods include online transfer services like Wise, Remitly, and WorldRemit. These apps are user-friendly and often have lower fees compared to traditional banks. For instance, Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, which means you get more naira for your dollars. Let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. Choose a reliable service. Download the app or visit their website, and create an account using your email and some basic info. Make sure to verify your identity for security. It's quick and usually involves uploading an ID. Step 2. Add your funding source. Link your US bank account or debit card. Then, enter the recipient's details in Nigeria, like their bank account number and name. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 3. Review the transaction. You'll see the exchange rate, fees, and estimated arrival time. Aim for services that deliver in minutes, not days. Once you're good, confirm the transfer. In 2025, many services offer real-time tracking, so you can monitor the status easily. Now, a few tips to save money and stay safe. Always compare fees and rates using tools like Z or TransferWise's comparison feature. Watch out for hidden charges, and use two-factor authentication to protect your account. Also, if you're sending large amounts, check for any US or Nigerian regulations that might apply. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to Nigeria in 2025 is easier than ever. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls and get your funds there quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.